What's up guys, I'm Jerusalem and today I'm Maker's Best Friend. It's a little bit different of a video. This is gonna be the first of my shop talk series. So I figured I wanted to do something different than my normal product videos that are more instructional based, and I wanted to be something where you got to know me as a maker a little bit more and what's going on with my life and what's coming up and that kind of thing. So this is the shop talk series. Here's kind of episode 1. As you can tell, the shop is in a complete mess, and it kind of always is, but that's going to change. I'm hoping that's going to change. So what's coming up with me in the shop is leaving tomorrow for Workbench Con. That's one of the conferences meant for makers who are trying to advertise their stuff through like social media and more like makers and YouTubers and a lot of those type of community there. I personally love that conference. It's one of the first ones that got me into the whole maker lifestyle. You get to meet some awesome big time names like Jimmy DeResta, Bob Claggett, a whole bunch of names out there. And actually a lot of people you meet who might not be big names when they get there, they end up growing a lot because they learn a lot from the classes they hold there. So that's coming up, leaving tomorrow, coming back Saturday. Unfortunately, I can only attend one of the main days for it, but I still think it was worth it for me. Kind of taking a look around the shop. It's a little bit empty in here because I have a whole bunch of my tools in the attic right now. I'm installing one of those drop-down attic ladders. Didn't have anything in there before. I've been having to go through my closet, through some really small square, and like hop up there because I don't have a ladder tall enough, and it's been a mess. So right now I'm doing some work in there to make some new supports and frames and put in a whole drop-down attic ladder in my hallway, which is going to be awesome. I'm actually taking some video of that. I don't think I'm going to make a video of it. It doesn't really jive with my type of videos, so that'll be out there if anybody's interested. Taking another look around the shop. In the back here, right there, is the wine barrel table that I've been working on for way too long. As you guys know, this is a side gig for me, so my full-time job has been really busy, and it's kind of taken over a lot of the side gig time, unfortunately. So don't worry, that looks really white right now. I'm going to be scruffing it up a lot more so it's way more rustic, as well as painting the brackets black. So I'm hoping that'll look real nice at the end of it. So stay tuned. That'll be a video on the original one, and the whitewash is the second one that I've made from that. Another thing around the shop, I mentioned that it's going to become a lot cleaner. One of the main things we're doing with that is the air filtration system that I got going on up here. So here's the dust collector over here, and I've got some PVC pipes that I painted green because I just wanted to throw some color around the shop and have some fun. As you can tell, this is the Maslow frame that's green, and I got my tool holder set that's green. Yes, green is 100% my favorite color, and I like the theme, and it just keeps everything fun in the shop, really, to be honest. So other than that, I'm hoping the next time I see you guys and do one of these shop videos, the shop will be a lot more clean. Trying to make it a lot more efficient. Just kind of around the shop here, I have the CNCs. There's the Shapeoko. Here's the Maslow. I've got I got the TV here because that's keeps things fun. Can put on some shows for some of the repetitive tasks and stuff like that. Got a workbench down here and another one from here. These are from Harbor Freight. Real cheap, pretty good wood. I've been really happy with these workbenches. I hear only good things about them. And kind of just going around with this shop talk video. What I think I'm going to do when the shop is actually clean and presentable, I'll actually do a shop tour. Let me know if you guys are interested in stuff like that. And you know, I'll probably do it either way. So, and some other things I'm working on that might be of interest. I'm making a wool bar for the house. That's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be in our piano room where there's not a lot of room in there, and I like to make furniture for the house that really fits nice corners and stuff like that. So it's gonna fit perfectly in a corner between a window and a wall. There's a wine cooler already there. It's gonna be pretty much black with natural wood color on top for the bar top, and I think I'm gonna do some bar shelves. So I've been making that in SketchUp. The video for that's gonna be pretty cool, and I'll post on Instagram as we update through that. Other than that, if you guys have seen the Iron Man mask that we made a model for, that was a collaboration with Winston Moy. Got the model, messed with it in Fusion, and then actually milled it out on the Shapeoko CNC. and that came out sick. That was one of my favorite products to date. So plan to expand that. Probably gonna do Mandalorian. Probably gonna do Black Panther. Probably gonna do Captain America. And honestly, I want to make a whole wall of all of these kind of superhero masks, a whole wall of it. But it has, for me, it's gonna be all traditional wood. I think that's kind of what I'm aiming for. I haven't really seen anything else out there like that, and I've been really loving it. So that's pretty much what's going on in the shop. I like to the whole idea of these videos is to just keep you guys updated when there's going to be maybe bigger slumps of time between the videos, and hopefully to get you guys to know who I am more as a maker. If you guys have any questions, comment below. I try to get back to every single one of you guys. And as always, thanks again for watching and following along, guys. Catch you later.